Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're here to help you speak English with confidence. And today, we have a really fun topic.
That's right. After you introduce yourself, the next step is getting to know someone better. Today, we'll learn how to talk about your hobbies, the things you love to do in your free time.
This is how you make friends and find things in common with people. It's an essential skill for daily conversation, and we'll make it super easy for you.
Part 1. The key questions. So, how does this conversation usually start? Someone will ask you a simple question.
Exactly. They might ask, "What do you do for fun?" Or, "What are your hobbies?" Both questions mean the same thing. They want to know what you enjoy doing when you're not working or studying.
Part 2. 3 easy ways to answer.
Answering is very simple. We have 3 great phrases you can use. The first one is the most common. I like, followed by a verb with ing.
For example, you can say, I like watching movies, or I like listening to music. Notice the verb ends in ing, watching, listening.
The second phrase is a fantastic alternative. I enjoy. It also uses a verb with ing. It sounds very natural. You could say, I enjoy playing video games, or I enjoy cooking. It means the same as I like, but using different words shows your English is improving.
And the third phrase is perfect for adding variety. In my free time, I. With this one, you just use the simple verb.
For example, in my free time, I read books, or in my free time, I go for a walk.
Those 3 phrases are all you need to talk about your interests. And by the way, if you are enjoying these tips and want to make sure you never miss a lesson that will build your confidence, this is a perfect moment to click that subscribe button below. It lets us know you find our lessons helpful and ensures you're here for everything we have planned for you. Part 3. Asking questions back.
Okay, after you share your hobby, it's very important to ask the other person about theirs. It keeps the conversation going.
The easiest way to do this is to simply ask, what about you? It's friendly and polite.
You can also ask a specific question, like, do you like reading? This is a great way to see if you have a shared interest.
Part 4. Let's roleplay. I'll start. Tom, what do you do for fun?
In my free time, I play the guitar. I enjoy writing my own songs. What about you?
That's so cool. I like gardening. I love growing flowers and vegetables in my small garden.
That sounds relaxing. Do you like cooking with the vegetables you grow?
Yes, I really enjoy cooking on the weekends. It's my favorite way to relax.
See? That was a fantastic conversation. We learned about each other's hobbies using just a few simple phrases.
The key phrases to remember are I like, I enjoy, in my free time, I, and the important question, what about you?
Thank you for joining us today on Confidence in English. We hope you feel ready to share your hobbies with the world.
Every conversation you have is a step towards fluency. You're doing an amazing job.
For your next lesson, click right here to watch the next video.
Until then, keep practicing. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye!